Hola, howdy, hello. So, greetings, folks. This is Sarananarayanamurthy here to talk about the mind business. So, stepping on into the second season, the first episode we have here is about yourself before someone else. Yes, myself before you. Selfish. That's what you thought, right, when you heard this statement? It has become a norm in schools and textbooks to promote the theory of other-centerism and to keep others before oneself. Now, I'm not saying this is wrong, but this one practice continues for years and years through all the stages of your life, finally ending up working for someone else. In this 21st century, we spend most of our days compromising our long-term goals for short-term gains. Well, I can give you day-to-day examples. Like giving up a daily task in exchange for a night out, leaving your self-help session in exchange for a booze party. Well, okay, so as you think, the point is not to have or live a life of a saint, but then it is just to make or just to help your future self be glad of what it did in your past. Party when it's party time. Meet your friends and attend group gatherings when it's your leisure, but don't put someone else in your time. People will always be people, meaning others will always be in the third place. It's only you when you needed you. Someone else can't fulfill your thirst. Same way, someone else can't be there for you when the only thing you need is yourself. Not neglecting the love of family or the affection of friends, but then, rather than enforcing the need to be self-satisfying and self-supporting. Being a grown-up adult, all of us have to believe that we are no more the kids holding up our mom's hands. It's practically impossible to depend on someone else for quite a long time. Being 20 or about 20 right now is a time where we need to take charge. Take charge of our own life, cultivate culture and update ourselves in terms of productivity and knowledge. We always need to rely on ourselves and our own attributes and action. Let's make our hands our biggest savior and our own self the one to rely on. The one and only way to do this is to focus more on yourself and your ideals rather than spending your time in groupifying or in enjoying. By giving up or making time for yourself before bumping into someone else, you'll make yourself a better person. One step a day and you're 365 days ahead in 365 days. So let's make time. Know what our mind and soul needs. Know our domain and grow ourselves towards our goals and passion. Take charge and change to better. Let's help ourselves and also help others grow themselves. So keep growing and keep glowing. Happy self-prioritization today. Bye-bye.